I am still here at the home of my good friends Em and Sunny. And we have a bonus recipe to show you, which is the
Hotpot.
using our electric skillet. Okay, Miss M, what did you do?
So I just boiled the water, maybe around 1.5 liters. Then I add this one, is the
Lee
County soup base for hot pot.
Yep.
Then after boiling, I add the pork strip.
Yep.
And then the mixed fish balls and crab balls, the hot pot mix one that can buy in the Asian store. Add the mushroom.
Enoki.
Enoki.
Let's show.
No, the bottle,
Let's
it's
show the
the
mushroom.
bottle mushroom.
The button mushroom.
Then the enoki mushroom, the carrots, and
So basically, you just put it all in
yeah,
here.
all together. And then just I have here some noodles, some ramen noodles, and then
Spring onion
spring onion.
for garnishing.
Yes.
So this one we pre-cooked, right?
Yeah, I boiled
You
that.
boiled it in the 3/4 roaster to remove some starch.
Yes.
Okay, and then while you're eating, it's up to you if you want to put the noodles or not.
Together.
But it's really very yummy. I really like this.
No need to add salt
Soup
to
base.
this one or
So no salt, just this one. That's it. No pepper.
no. I add pepper, black
A little
pepper.
bit. Okay.
And then just let it boil.
Yeah, very yummy. Especially if people are coming over. Of course, the best part is the tasting part. So, let's do this. I love enoki mushroom. Mama M, how about you?
I'm full already. I'm the one who cooked.
Actually, me too. But let's taste this one.
Like it.
I really like that soup, soup base. I really love it. It's the first time I've tasted. Some people use, I think, vegetable stock, chicken stock. This is the first time I've seen that soup base, and I really love it.